I've been beaming since I've heard the news. Honestly, Matt, it's fantastic. And we've had signs or, suggestive evidence in the past from geological features that there might be some meltwater on Mars. But now, with a spectral analysis, it's really backed up the theory. And it's absolutely stunning.
It's all to do with the sort of salts that are on the surface of Mars, isn't that right?
So there are, just like you have on Earth, if you want to salt the roads, to melt the ice. If you have salt water, it reduces the freezing point of water. So even at temperatures of minus 23 degrees Celsius, you can still have liquid water.
And we can see this computer-generated image here. Are these the sort of marks that they think have been left by flowing water?
This is a great combination, actually. It's a false colour image, so it looks very colourful. It's not really
it's
like
not the
this
red
on
planet
Mars.
as we know it, is
That's
it?
right. So this is that was infrared imagery, but these features we're seeing, these long streaks, they go for about 100 meters long, and they've been growing and shrinking. And before this, we've had fantastic imagery from NASA over the past couple of years, but they haven't been able to back it up with a chemical analysis until recent studies. So pairing fantastic high-resolution imagery of these geological features and an infrared chemical analysis has shown us the percolated salts, these very important salts.
Interesting that the atmospheric pressure plays a part here, doesn't it? Because it's so, well, explain that for me.
Well, we could have, in terms of, we're not quite sure where this liquid is coming from. There's one idea is that we have it from down below in aquifers that are quite shallow, or that it condensed from the atmosphere. So the scientists on the team at Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter, the spacecraft that's been studying these features, still trying to figure out the mechanisms behind it.
An awful lot to figure out as well. One of the interesting things they did say today was that Mars at some point could have been more like Earth.
We've seen much bigger features than these little recurring lineae, these little slope lineae, these grooves. We've actually seen whole valleys, as the Mariner valleys on Mars. There are huge lake basins and ocean basins. We think that there's probably been oceans on Mars that have surpassed the oceans we have here on Earth billions of years ago. Something happened over 3 billion years ago to the atmosphere of Mars, and it's cooled.
So the mystery deepens in some ways, but great answers to have in the meantime. Thank you very much, Brendan. Good to see you.
You're welcome.